Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Pete.
Captain Keith here from MarineMax Clearwater.
And one of the questions we got a lot of questions about pre-ordering boats, custom ordering boats. You pick out exactly what you want. It shows up, it's better than Christmas. It's shrink wrap. You unwrap it, it's brand new, brand new. It has that new smell. You open up a hatch, you smell the fresh fiberglass, and then you plan delivery day just like you would if you found it on a showroom floor.
I've been delivering boats for MarineMax Clearwater for 20 years, and I will tell you right now, the quality of the boats that customers are getting right now has never been better. Everything's coming in, basically, it's all brand new. We're gonna get a boat from the factory, like you said, it's in shrink wrap, it comes in, our techs put batteries in it, they rig the boat, gas it up, take it for a spin. So what you're getting is a brand new product. When you're getting it, I mean, it is fresh. And you're starting right out of the gate, it's your boat, it hasn't been demoed anywhere, run anywhere, probably it's not been at boat shows or anything like that. Important part is just get out there, be part of this, enjoy this. What's not to love, man? Get out on the water. Hopefully, we'll see you guys out there soon.
Bye, guys.